In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted song in Suno AI quickly and efficiently. If you've accidentally deleted a song or removed it from your collection in Suno AI, don't worry. This guide will walk you through restoring it to your library. So, let's dive in and retrieve that cherished tune. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other one you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to Google. It might seem like a straightforward step for some, but starting at a search engine is always a reliable way to access the pages we need efficiently. Next, in the Google search bar, simply type in Suno AI. This is going to be your gateway to accessing the Suno platform, where all your musical magic happens. Once you hit enter, you should see Suno AI listed prominently in the search results. Go ahead and click on the link to be directed to the official Suno AI website. Once you're on the Suno AI homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. So look for the Sign In button. It's usually at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your Suno AI account. If you're already signed in, that's even better, and you can skip this step. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, and from here, you need to click on the library icon. It's where all your songs reside, including the ones that have been recently deleted. Once in the library section, search for a trash icon. This icon typically represents all your deleted items and might even be labeled as trash. Click on it to reveal the contents. Now, you should see a list of deleted songs. Browse through this list to find the specific song you've been missing. Once you locate it, here's where the magic happens. Click on the option to Restore to Library. This action will immediately transfer the song from the trash back into your main library collection, ready for you to enjoy once more. To ensure everything is as it should be, navigate back to your main library. You can do this by clicking the library icon again in the menu. Scroll through your song list to confirm that the deleted song has indeed been restored and is now available for you to play and appreciate again. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered a deleted song in Suno AI. Remember, this process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to get back to enjoying your music without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share this guide with others who might be in a similar situation. Happy listening.